In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check page views of a single page. By the end, you'll be able to open Google Analytics and quickly see how many times a specific page was viewed over any date range you choose. First, sign in to Google Analytics. Once you're in, take a quick moment to confirm you're looking at the correct account and property for your site. If you manage multiple websites, this simple check can save you from chasing numbers that belong to a different project. Next, head to the left-hand navigation and click Reports. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can see the full menu. Reports is where Google Analytics groups the ready-made views you'll use most often. From there, open the section focused on engagement and retention. This area collects reports that highlight how visitors interact with your content over time, and it's the quickest path to the page-level metrics we need. Now select Pages and Screens. This report lists your site's content and shows key metrics side by side. It's designed for exactly this task. Understanding performance at the individual page level, you'll see columns like views, users, and average engagement time. Our focus today is on views. Before searching for a specific page, set your date range in the top right corner. Choose a period that matches your question. Last 7 days for a quick pulse check, last 30 days for a broader trend, or a custom range if you're evaluating a campaign or a recent update. Remember, all numbers in the table will reflect this selection. With the date range set, use the search box above the table to find your page. Type the URL path, not the full domain. For example, enter something like blog/how-to-article rather than the full HTTPS link. If your page has query parameters, search for the base path to capture all variants. By default, this table uses page path, so you'll get a clean match when you enter the path exactly as it appears on your site. Once the table filters down to your page, look at the views column. That number is the total count of times that single page was viewed during the selected date range. In Google Analytics 4, views represent the total page and screen views, so it's the clearest snapshot of raw viewing activity for that page. That's it. Sign in, open reports, head to engagement, choose pages and screens, set your dates, search the page path, and read the views. If the number looks off, double check the date range and confirm you've typed the exact path. This simple workflow gives you reliable page view counts in just a few clicks.